a warm welcome as a freshers or the fresher parties and all you have. So it's always a pleasure connecting with you all, respected leaders, respected students. I welcome you all for this program. Uh, to brief about my profile, I head the HR for a company. So I am not more on the your scientific side. I am basically more on management side where I review, assess the candidates. So after your courses, you need to reach out to HR for the jobs, opportunities, and excelling in your careers. So I welcome you all for this prestigious institution, Avanti Group. It's a leading institution where a lot of bright minds have come out of this institution, and you all can become good entrepreneurs, good students, and good have a good life in your personal and professional lives. I'm thrilled to be a part of this program. Avanti, I feel fosters talent in the best manner. They have great facilities. They have good library and good facilities. You can become a good personality on the personal and the professional levels. So you need to groom yourself how you become a good person or good human being in your life. So those areas as a student now it's more of a middle of your journey. You are all in the middle of your journey of childish to adolescent or adult. So this is the phase where you need to listen to your parents, teachers, and faculties. Groom yourself to a better personality. What I feel is B farms and M farms major focus will be in cracking the interviews and going for the jobs, but you have certain people going for entrepreneur level also. So how do you start? What are those small attributes, or what is that attitude you need to bring to the table so that you become more whatever you want, your professional goals or your personal goals. So you need to be a complete personality. So how is it depends upon you all. Like basically your academics plays a major role. So focus is very important. So focus on your studies, focus, have a good academic scores, then only you can go to the next level. So those points are very important as a HR professional. What I see is your resume building and all, and your academics plays a major role because backlogs and all very difficult in the screening part. So you won't get majorly good jobs what you aspire for. So focus on the academics, get nice scores, and have a nice career. That is one thing I want to share. And secondly, the value, the what are the values of you bring to the table are in your life. Integrity, trust, and value system is very important in your careers. So those three things you should maintain. The 3C concept I always suggest: coordinate, communicate, collaborate. These are the three areas where you all have to focus on. As a student fraternity, you need to come out of that zone of student kind of thing. You need to become more of a, like the concept is always there, the campus to corporate. So that transition you should take from the first year onwards or second year onwards, so that you can become a better personality once you come out of this institution, because you are branding yourself and you are branding the institution also. So you don't you if you come out with the flying colors, definitely it's an institution name also. You are getting the name, you are making your career, but institution has a great value for this. So students are very important. So I congratulate you all for coming of this coming to this institution, joining this institution. Have a nice career, focus on the academics, overall personality development. The institution definitely give the overall personality of your, right from your studies, how you have your other part, the other part of academics is very important. So I am not from your scientific background, but I hire a lot of B farms and M farms. Recruitment is my forte. I was a TA head in my earlier careers. I worked for Deloitte for 7 years. I worked for Granules for 7 years. Major companies of pharma, where I hire freshers. I used to go to campus recruitment. I know Srinivas Rao Garu, where I met Naipur, Hyderabad, Naipur, Guwahati. I mean, I have gone to almost all NIT Warangal, NIT Suratkal, Manipal, BITS. So I meet lot of student fraternity. The only thing what I suggest is you should focus on academics, plus you should have some managerial skills also. Management skills are very important. What sir mentioned the earlier one, you should do some certifications on the communication part, because majorly the students lack communication. Though you have knowledge on the scientific front, but you won't be able to articulate it properly. So once you face the interview, how you should speak, or how you should brand your personality in such a way that once the interview is done, you should get selected. And it happened to me till now. So I generally do in that manner. So I suggest all of you that you should focus on studies, but the other part of certifications, overall personality development, how you become a good individual for your families. On the personal front, how parents must have given you a good knowledge, and they have given you so much of support in bringing you here. So now it is up to you, because the adult phase has come. You should cannot be more of college goer, and I mean, so that definitely these days have changed. The earlier the academics were quite different, but now lot of competition is there, and lot of pharmacy colleges are there. Hiring becomes a big question mark. How to hire so many candidates? So how you will be a unique candidate, or uniqueness in your attitude or academics, or how you brand yourself. I always say personal branding, organization branding. These are the two concepts what I generally say. Personal branding is very important. You need to brand in such a way that you should get the job, or you should go for whatever the entrepreneur side you want to go for it. Starting a college.